Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to ThinkerPlace. So today we have with us Mrs. Rachana Bendigiri, the principal of Prakash Memorial School, Kharadi, Pune. In the occasion of third anniversary of ThinkerPlace, we have come up with an exciting interview series known as Principal Chronicles. And today's topic is practical learning beneficial for students and does it help them in their overall academic performance? Practical learning is often regarded as a cornerstone of modern education, and it has emerged as a captivating approach to engage students in their academic journey. Departing from the traditional rote learning methods, and practical learning empowers students to explore, experiment, and apply their knowledge in real life. This shift in pedagogy raises a fundamental question. Is practical learning beneficial and does it have a significant impact on the student's overall academic performance? So, today we will explore the merits of practical learning, uncover its transformative potential in nurturing critical thinking, problem solving ability, and a deeper understanding of academic concepts. So, welcome to Thinker Place's interview series, ma'am. I hope you're doing well.
Thank you, Ankita. It is really nice talking to you, and I'm really happy to be on the show.
So, my first question to you is that there is a lot of research that suggests that practical learning can enhance students' understanding of theoretical concepts. So, can you share some instances or case studies where you have seen that a student's overall performance has improved significantly because of practical learning?
I would like to take you a little back. Previously, when the rote learning method was practiced, we had limitations for learning. The limitations were four walls. The children were not going outside. They were in a room, and the teacher used to just read the book, write on a whiteboard or a blackboard, and that's all. So, all the children were going for some tuition classes, or they were just mugging up without understanding a single thing what is being taught to them.
Right.
But practical learning really helps to in a very better way for a children to memorize whatever concept they are learning. Now, the group which I handle right now is the pre-primary section at Prakash Memorial School, and we are thoroughly taking care that everything what concept we are teaching are practiced in practical way wherever it is possible. Now, when we do this, it really impacts a child's brain. It is scientifically proven that each child's brain develops between the age of 2 to 5. So, whenever and whatever concept we are teaching them, they are able to register it, they use it in their everyday life, and that helps to stop the method. It doesn't mean that we have stopped using rote method. We are practicing rote method, but practical method is also being emphasized in every class, and my every team member is following it.
So, as you said that you implement practical learning. So, what is the response from the children's side? Like, do they enjoy, and what they
Yes,
feel about it?
they really enjoy. I can tell you one example, and this is recently we had an activity of EVS, which says traffic signals.
Yeah.
Right? So everybody knows red, green, orange is what does this mean and what does that mean. But my teachers had made a model, and we had invited one of the traffic police to the school. We had made a zebra crossing, we had made U-turn, and all things were made by the teachers. So what happened? The teachers told them, and the children understood what the police person was telling them. So when practically after that they went to their home places, every child was telling the parent, "Mama, आप helmet पहनो, पापा green signal नहीं लगा है, आपको जाना नहीं है." So it impacted in such a way that every parent coming and telling us, "No, madam, that activity helped a lot." This is just an example. I have got n number of examples which we teach shapes. Now, different shapes in whatever use we have. You use a calendar, we use a water bottle, we use a mobile phone. So this, when we are doing it, the children are telling, this is rectangle shape. This is circle shape. So the registration of whatever concept is being taught Instead of just using a pen and paper or a board and telling them this is rectangle with all four sides same, this really makes a big difference.
Yeah, definitely. So sometimes it is believed that practical learning might divert a student's attention from their traditional learning methods. So how do you strike a balance between practical learning and theoretical learning, ensuring that they excel in their core academic studies?
I believe that a child can understand or register any concept by only one method. Either one by writing, either is by visualization method, or by hearing it. Yeah. So when we are using practically, we do it with all the three methods. So whichever child is smart or whichever child is good in the way he understands, captures it very fast, and then it helps to register the same thing with the child. So rote method is useful, but along with the rote method, if we do this practical, they will never divert.
Yeah, and I think it also boosts their memory. Like they will remember those concepts for theory. Even we as students, we are like, yeah, हाँ पढ़ के हो गया, but then you forget it. But if we see something, then we remember it. Oh, it is done this way, and we have like implemented it.
Learning, I told you we've had limitations. तो जब बाहर जाते हैं और रिवाइज ही नहीं किया रोट लर्निंग से, तो वो भूल ही जाएंगे बच्चे. So once it is with a practical method, they register it so properly. So once we wake them up, also they are very clear कि नहीं ये ऐसा ही होता है. So it really works.
Yeah. So my third question is, what do parents think about this practical learning method? Are they against it, or are they like they feel that it's good for their children?
It's taxing. It's really taxing for the parent, because we tell them to get this thing, bring this, bring that, you have to help us with these things and that things. So sometimes a parent feels taxed. Sometimes the parents are really open. They allow us, "Nahi, madam, you are doing a very good job. These things should happen in the school." But as every coin has two sides, there are few parents who really appreciate. There are few parents who are against it. And the children, you can see the difference in the child. For example, if a parent is not keen for practical learning, the child suffers. Yeah. And the difference, what we expect in a child, is not being seen. Yeah. So after some time, I'm very sure each parent will understand and the importance of practical learning, and they will surely help us and help their children to become a better citizen.
Definitely. So for, like you said, for pre-primary, you implement practical learning. So what sort of like methods do you implement so that kids are more involved in their studies?
We take them outside. We take them for different places. We take them for field trips in the school. For example, we had field trip and we had called all the farm animals in a nearby place. We made the children touch them.
Achha.
And they thoroughly enjoyed it. So we took them to you can say a car washing center.
Okay.
Where the cars were washed. Yeah, the children enjoyed it. The cars, big cars getting up, they being washed. So children really thoroughly enjoy all these things.
Usually, like when I was in school, we used to do this in summer camps. Once we went to a cake baking bakery to understand how cake is made. So these things are very fun, and you get to learn so much out of it.
So much, yeah, true, very.
Oh yeah. So yeah, it was great talking to you. It was a very insightful interview where we got to learn that how kids love practical learning and how it is very beneficial for them. So lastly, would you like to say something to parents who like don't know much about practical learning and its benefits, and like anything else we would like to add on?
Here, first I would like to thank ThinkerPlace, because they are helping us to implement practical learning a lot. I know we have only a very small age sector over here through which ThinkerPlace we are collaborated with ThinkerPlace, but still we have not started the projects with the children. But in the month of August, we will be surely doing those. One of the project what we have taken with the children, because there is a lot of academic work also with us to go ahead with the year. So this month we will be doing the first activity, which STEAM kit, which is being given to us. And I would say all the parents that please motivate the children for practical learning. Whenever you're going outside, tell them, ask them questions. Have you learned this shape? What is this shape? What is the color? Where is this vegetable? Okay, what is this vegetable? Whether it is grown underground or it grows upside. So this all things, if the parent starts asking the child instead of just giving them a handset, चुप बैठ साइड में, इससे ज्यादा अच्छा है कि अगर आप बाहर बच्चों को लेकर जाते हो तो explore them, let them explore, let them ask you questions. This will surely help practical learning. 100% helps the child for better future.
Yeah, that's right. So it was a very insightful interview, and I'm sure our audience and the parents who are watching this will find it interesting and useful as well. So thank you so much, Rachana ma'am, for taking out the time to join us and share our experience with us. And we are glad that this collaboration is going to help a lot of students and make it fun for them as well. And have a great day.
Thank you, Ankita. Bye.